Today we're going to be reviewing a craft storage cart. Here's what comes in the box. There you go. We got a manual. We have a manual, how to put it together. Double-sided pegboards, nice made plastic. You got the vinyl roll holders, legs, wheels, and the top of the carts. That's all it comes in the box. As you can see, it's made out of very well-made plastic. Feels durable, sturdy. Got all the legs. This is rolling. It's convenient. It's plastic. It has a lot of space to put all your items. It brings a screwdriver, so you don't even need to get one. Got all the screws to hold the tops. Everything you need. More screws, the legs. So let's put it together and see how it looks. All right guys, so I just put it together. It's nice and sturdy. The wheels are lockable. You can see in the bottom so you don't move. It took me about 30 minutes, but I used the screwdriver that comes with it. So if you have an electric one, it should take you a little bit less. It's not hard. The manual is very helpful. It's clear how to do it. Very sturdy, very convenient. Enough space to put a whole bunch of rolls. You get space here to get smaller tools, your weeding tools and cutting tools you can hang in here. So it's very convenient, very well made. The price is amazing, so I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a space saver or to consolidate your craft room and all your cutting vinyl and all your other tools in one space, very compact, and you can move around with you. You can take whatever you want go in the house. If you want to make that space your working station, there you have it. Definitely recommend it. Very well made. Price is good. So pick yourself one. I hope this video helped and thank you.